My name's Abid and I head up the IT services here at Stockport Homes Group, and it's my job to look after our colleagues at our head office. And as a business, we provide social housing to our customers who are based in Stockport. So at Stockport Homes, we have a number of meeting rooms that our colleagues use to be able to connect with people who work virtually from home. So in terms of this project, I really cared about working with a supplier who had a passion for delivering an excellent solution.
My name's Todd. I am the sales manager for ClearVC. I worked alongside Stockport Homes as their point of contact from ClearVC and their account manager for their project to deliver new video conferencing equipment. Stockport Homes first came to ClearVC as they were having some previous issues with some legacy equipment that existed within their boardroom, and they needed a new solution that would also work with Microsoft Teams that would stop them having the issues that they had. They were looking for a partner that could actually help lead them down a path that would give them the right equipment. So what we did in turn for them was, through our previously owned testing, we gave them a trial of some equipment to make sure that it covered what they needed. And after a successful proof of concept that lasted 3 weeks, we decided on a Yealink Microsoft Teams video conferencing solution for their boardroom, which was implemented within the month.
So the product that has the most impact for us is the Yealink meeting room devices, and that's really enabled our colleagues to connect to meetings virtually. So the solution is really easy to use. As you enter the room, you're greeted by a tablet, and it's just a one-touch button to connect to a meeting. And we've had really good feedback in terms of how easy they are to use and for users to be able to connect to meetings virtually. As part of the deployment of the team meeting rooms, we installed some booking room panels outside the meeting rooms, and that's had a real good benefit in terms of people being able to check at a glance whether the meeting room's booked. We chose to work with ClearVC because they really worked in a partnership arrangement with Stockport Homes, and when they first came on site, they really provided us with a variety of different products to test. After we've ordered the equipment, the communication throughout was really good, and on the installation day, they really made sure that they kept us informed of what to expect on the day. ClearVC performed really well in terms of being able to deliver on time and on budget.